Imagine being able to 10x your current business sales with the use of a few software tools. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 AI software tools to drastically grow your sales and to increase your business with a very small amount of expenditure. Meaning you're not going to need to spend thousands and thousands of dollars to 5, 10, or 20x your business. These software are extremely valuable for the type of work they're going to implement. A lot of it is overhyped, but there's a reason that so many people are talking about this, and there's absolutely some phenomenal tools coming to development that you can implement into your business today. Starting off at number 1 is personalized video using artificial intelligence, meaning instead of having to record a video for each customer to say thank you for using your product or service, you can record this video once and then utilize the features of artificial intelligence to insert custom names and fields. For example, this type of software can be great for reaching out to thousands of new people. Maybe it's used for prospecting. You can start off your video by saying, hey, first name, why don't you go ahead and take a look at our service? I think it would be a great fit for you for reason X, Y, and Z. And then you can talk about why their business name should also be introduced to your service. And you can essentially do this at a big scale. Instead of having to record thousands of these videos, you can record one template, utilize AI software to actually change the words that are coming out of your mouth, and it also changes the way that your mouth is moving to make it look like they're actually saying their first name or their last name or whatever you want to fill in for that actual piece of information. So this could be great for outreach to get more sales, to get more people on the phone. Let's say somebody booked a call from you. You can send a custom onboarding video that's completely tailored for that individual. Or number 3, you can just thank your customers. It's going to be a very appreciative thing to send individual customized videos to each one of your customers, and you can do this at a very large scale. So one of the softwares out there that you can use to do this is called behuman.ai, and there's a lot of different options out there like Maverick, but I'm gonna leave some of these URLs down in the description, so make sure you go and check there if you wanna actually sign up and test some of these out. And the great thing is a lot of these are either free, they come with a free trial, or you can go ahead and just use it for absolutely the next 30 days or so and try it out to see if it's a good fit for your business. Software number 2 is ChatGPT, and there is so many cool features being built on top of this software. So if you haven't signed up for OpenAI, I highly recommend testing it out. It's absolutely free to use, but there's going to be a lot of cool interfaces being built on top of this revolutionary software. Essentially, ChatGPT is, you can put in a prompt, a question, or a lot of different details, and it will start auto-generating some information. Here's a really cool example that I like to do is just ask it a random question and then see what it puts out. You can get it to write yourself a book, respond to an email, create a blog post, or do any numbers of things in your business. I personally think that ChatGPT and a lot of this software is going to be great for, 1, improving your customer service responses. You can implement it to your email software or your customer service software to essentially expedite things, make things faster. A lot of times it takes a long time to write a creative and custom response to people, but you can use ChatGPT and other software to write a better response. The other thing that I think is going to be great is for marketing emails. So ever get stuck with a headline or need some inspiration, you can use ChatGPT to come up with some inspiration to write your marketing emails. Or if you're good at creating these prompts, you can just have it write the complete marketing email for you. And the number 3 reason that I think ChatGPT is going to be very useful for business is it's going to help you outline content strategies. So if you're wanting to create new videos, create new blog posts, I think it's almost more powerful to help you do some research in a very short period of time, or to help you build the outlines. A lot of times that's the process that I get stuck on. So it's not going to be creating the actual script, but it's going to help you come up with inspiration to do that and help you create outlines to create a better piece of content. And the number 3 software that I recommend checking out is Overdub, which is by Descript. Descript is an awesome AI platform that essentially you can pop a piece of video in, it'll automatically generate subtitles, and let's say you're creating a video and you had a big mistake where you said something wrong. Instead of flipping through the timestamps trying to find it, what you can do is you can search on Descript, find this mistake, and then you can use Overdub to fix it without having to reshoot and without having to re-record. It's a very cool piece of software, and if you're creating content or if you're thinking about creating content, I highly recommend checking out Descript because it really speeds up the film editing process, and also is going to help you if you want to just continue having your team create content for you. They can upload about 10 minutes of your voice, and then you essentially have a full automation. Let's say you want to thank a customer, you can type out a script and you can send that thank you. It'll use AI intelligence to essentially take that script, put it in your voice, and then your team can send it out to individuals. There's a lot of different cool use cases for this. And this software is getting better by the day. The cool thing about this is, let's say you wanted to have your team create a piece of content, you can essentially upload 10 minutes of your voice, and then they can type out anything that you want to send to a customer or a new prospect, and they can essentially type that script out. It'll record it in your voice without you having to do anything, and then you can send out that piece of content and that audio file as it was coming from you, which is a really cool service, and it's going to be used in a lot of interesting ways to come. So keep an eye out for that. There's 3 awesome ways to improve and start scaling your business using artificial intelligence. And again, I'll leave all the information about these 3 applications that I mentioned in the video description below. Maybe you have a AI piece of software that you love using. Make sure to share it below as a comment. I'm releasing new videos every day, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to get alerted about when new videos go live.